Auzubillahiminashaitanirrajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is about focus on what really matters in CSS. Firstly, you have to analyze past papers to identify key areas. Secondly, do not try to learn everything about everything. Just clear your concepts. Current affairs will help you in all subjects. Prepare current affairs in three portions. First, historical background of any topic. Second, current scenario on that particular topic. And the third step to prepare current affairs is to analyze the situation based on historical perspective and current scenario. Fourthly, present your answer in a digestible and readable way. Don't try to confuse the examiner. Don't write vague material because it will not help you to attain more marks. Fifthly, write at least 3 hours every day because knowledge base is not sufficient to pass the exam. Written practice is highly important to express ideas in dynamic ways. So, writing practice is very important to clear CSS exam.